This game is literally so basic that you just need to click all the yellow dots on the screen, which will give you experience, anything that equipments that will make you strong. So just like that. So let's click all this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's click this one after we have gained some diamonds and buy all of the things that we can buy using our own diamonds. And then let's buy this one. This is free when you have a premium. This key is free, which you can use to kill all the bosses. Then this one, it has value using your diamonds. Then this one, then this one. So it all has use when we bought all of that. So it can make us strong when we buy all of that using our diamonds. That can be gained using this one when you have no premium. Diamonds is free, so let's upgrade this one, then level up this one, this one, this one, this one. Every after a second there is a quest that we will have to finish, and then after we finish they will give us diamonds and anything that will make us stronger, just like that. So click all this one to make us strong. So you can choose attack or weapon skill penetration to make us stronger. That is the two basic attributes we need to take to make us stronger. Same as to this, we need to have a weapon skill penetration, and then the other one is attack again. So just like that, click all the quests that you have finished, and then it will give us diamonds. And then let's go to arena, wherein we will fight PvP or player versus player. Then let's go. So let's start with this one. We will choose this one. Then so cancel, because they are so strong. Then cancel again. Let's refresh, and then choose this one. So so strong again, so strong again, so strong again. But let's take this one. So basically this is a idle game wherein you can play at the same time, enjoy the game while you are working or doing something that will make you save some time. So we lose that game. Let's now go to dungeon bosses, which will give us equipments, anything that power ups will make you strong, stats booster, and then so we can use or choose one or two tickets, or if you want you can use all the tickets to clear the bosses to defeat, so you can obtain items and then power ups or runes that will make you strong. So on this one we will go to Scarecrow, or which free dungeon, which will assess your damage to monster or player versus player. So you can see here the damage is already on letter L. So the damage is ranging from letter A to letter Z up until the last alphabet letter. So it will also give you rewards. So let's now go to a guild, which will give us also rewards after we finish some quests. So let's click here the guild. So just like that, we already completed the quest. Then let's confirm, and then take all those rewards, just like that. You already have again some free items to all the quests will also give you random rewards, basically the diamonds, which is the basic necessity on this game. which you can use also on updating or upgrading all your items. Just like this one, let's click this and then clear quest. So just like that, upgrade this one also, the attack and the magic or the weapon penetration. Let's click this one, so let's take also HP. So that's it. Let's go now to challenge the real bosses here, which will give us huge rewards, which we can use again to upgrade our characters. Let's go if we can use this, or we can kill or defeat this boss. Let's go. So wow, so basically you are only idle game here. You can do anything while you are playing this one. So this is idle, but it is so enjoyable. So that's, oh, we got killed by bosses. It means that you still need to upgrade your character. And that's all.